Hello YouTubers, Princess58 here, oh my gosh, oh my god. Well, I got neon bow ad, I had a match on trade, someone traded me a neon bow for it, and I'm just like, wow, oh my god, I like freaked out. I just had like a spaz moment. I did not record it, sadly, but if I screenshotted it, I would have showed it to you. I am so sorry, guys. I didn't record, I didn't screenshot, but I will next time, like a big good trade comes like that. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, but yeah, this is a trade video, just more trading. I never gave you a gift. I don't know. I never got a gift. No, I don't want to play the games. I'm gonna turn my game request off. Yeah, don't end my trade. Yeah, boom. Okay. My back hurts. I'm trying to get like maybe a bad long for my neon bow. I think that's fair. I don't know. Some people think of like holiday bows, like gym holiday bows. I'm like, it's not that. It's bow and arrows. Doritos. Oh my god, my back hurts so bad right now. I was just at my brother's house. He's 23 or 22. I don't know how old he is, but he's like in his 20s. And you can probably hear my brothers in the background. I don't know, but they're both playing a game. One's in the living room on my big flat screen TV, and then the other's in his room on his flat screen TV. Yeah, they're both playing, I think, Destiny. Jetty, what are y'all playing? I want to know. What? Like RoboCraft? I don't know what they're playing. I don't know. For your what? I don't know, but I want her collar. Stuff. Okay. She probably has like a really cute outfit all set up and everything, and yeah. Oh, my feet hurt and stuff. Yeah, but look, here's my trade. I'm gonna have this trade the entire time until someone teased me and traded me a rare long red wrist for it, and I tried to accept, but I was too late because it just flashed. I'm just like, I don't care. I'd like accept random trades when they're over. It's just weird. I had like this bandana on my wrist still from the party, cause it was like it was a thing. Trade me recording all. Okay. Hey, same for me. Yeah, but I don't say it. I don't say it. No, I wouldn't even accept that. I would love this person's list. I want that wrist so bad, but I don't have anything that I want to trade. But yeah. Y'all get the point. It's just a bunch of trading and stuff. Yeah, I'm bored. I got a bunch of Minecraft stuffed animals. I started out with the creeper. I lost my creeper now, but we're not buying another one because we already wasted our money on one of them. So, and then I have like one of those pop statues. I have Twilight Sparkle, Rainbow Dash, Fluttershy, and Dancing Groot. Like it's a bobblehead. You can hear it. Yeah, I've been drawing, and I've been having fun drawing. I've been like searching how to draw cartoon animals and stuff. I have a Minecraft sheep stuffed animal, cow, mushroom, pig, and enderman, and then my creeper somewhere. Yeah, my creeper's lost for good, but we will end up finding it. Oh god, capitals. What for neon bow? Stop asking me this. Neon bow. I'm under. Trade me red or maybe yellow short spike collar. Maybe it's what? Mommy glitch glasses and the two birds for a long spike race. Wait, mommy glitch glasses. No, thank you. I hate it when people trade me those. I don't like them. I'm just gonna do play. Okay, trade me a. I want. This way. yellow long set founder and tan. Oh, I don't have that even if I wanted it. Please give me a rare spike, a rare silver. Your spike color for my party hat. Okay. Well, this is funny. This person is the one who traded me a rare wrist and everything. I'm just like hitting the screen with that bandana thing. Your spike collar from my party hat. Trade me recording all trades. Okay. This person just got really on my nerves. It was like, there's stuff on your trade you're never gonna accept it. It's just for show. And what else? She's like, I reported you, and my dad's uncle is not dad's uncle, and my uncle is, and they like so, and my uncle works at AJHQ. So yeah, it's like really annoying. Did I? Okay, I thought you were talking to me. I was like, what? Did I accidentally just stop something? What did Fox have if you did add? Yeah, but I hopefully, yeah, I already told y'all that, but I'm really bored. I don't know what to talk about. So I'm just gonna bleep. I don't have my puppies because he's really, really poopy, like really poopy and gross. And yeah. I really hope that Animal Dream doesn't get hacked or I don't get. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna trade for green because not that many people are like top green person. I have an outfit actually that I want to do for green. And I'll trade a black bear, I guess. Well, maybe pink. I don't know. Depends. I'll trade pink, I guess. Trade those two. Maybe. I'm not gonna accept. Yep. I'm not being fair when I trade. I'm just like trading the most crappiest stuff. Please go shop. Oh, what? Just that what? Did you what? I'm just like messing with this bandana. I'm having fun. Does anyone like pickle salt? If you do, comment. Trade me a spike, any kind for my life. That's not fair. Ugh, sorry. Trade me neon bow, please. It depends. Do you have a collar on trade? No, you do not. Okay, no, thank you then. Neon button, I did. Trade me stain. Googles. Goggles. Looks like cookies. Say hi, what for neon bow? I don't know what for neon bow. Neon bow and more entry. Please be far. I did medicine stuff. Non-rare spin. No. No thanks. No, that's not fair. Bored, so I'm gonna do sleeping. I think my dad had trade me some good things to put in it. Put in what? What? Okay. Yeah, that's what I do, just like another spike. But first, like another spike, I hate it. Well, I don't know why, it's just sort of, no, that's not even close to fairy weirdo. Sorry. Yeah, but in my dream. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. No. It's like molest myself. I'm putting my banana in my mouth if you're wondering. Y'all should go subscribe to I think that's Bailey. No. I'll have to look, but y'all should subscribe to her. Oh my god. Oh, okay, here, let me go find her. Here she is, Bailey J. This girl. Go find her on YouTube and subscribe. Cause she is that. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all my Skype. My Skype. What picture should I do apparently? Since I need to change my picture, now it's telling me to. Oh, someone's shooting me, someone's shooting me, someone's shooting me, someone's shooting me now. Okay, Skype. What would that look like? No, I like my turtle. Where's my turtle? Where's my turtle? Where's my turtle? No, where's my turtle? Come on, I took a picture. Oh, there it is. Okay, I like the picture of the turtle. I put boardable on. Okay, yeah, but my name's Sadie Bal. That's my brother. That's a creepy picture. That's my best friend. There's Karn, because I asked her if she wanted to make a YouTube video, but map full needing replacements. MEP? What's MEP? I don't know. Let's go to here, go to here. Can y'all even see over here? I don't even think y'all can see my Skype. I don't know. Whoa. Whoa, what happened to y'all? Y'all like moved. Well, this thing moved. Here we go. Okay, here we go. A little, no. Go like this. This is so confusing. No. Don't want that. No. Okay. I'm gonna zoom in and go like this. Okay, that works, I guess. Those are really big. Why is this so big? Whatever. Okay. Yeah, I'm moving on. Okay, I'm on. Turn me light shades. Or black and blue. Okay. I'm always getting nowhere here. The video's almost up, so there's my trade fail of the day. I hope y'all enjoyed that video. I'll be doing trade videos every day, and I hope you, no. I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe, please. I love y'all. Bye. Okay, guys, this is a really good trade, so I'm accepting it. Someone traded me this just now for my top hat. I'm just like, yay. Yay. I like paused it and waited for someone to trade it really good. But look what I got. Yay, 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 yay. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy, 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 happy. So I didn't really use that. Did I use that in any of my looks? No, I didn't. So we're good. Well, anyways, I hope you guys love this video. I love y'all. Bye.